Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine today. In this video I will tell you about a website where you can earn money working from home. You guys have to create your account on this website and then you guys can earn money with them. Let me walk you guys to this website so the video won't be too long. I will give you guys as much information as I can about this website in this short video. The name of this website Stuxy Progressive and Premium Stock Image Videos and Real Beauty Goes Beyond the Surface. Learn more. Now you guys can see this is the website I was talking about by scrolling down a bit more. Fuck. Can you tell me about your licensing option? What payment option do you offer? I am a photographer, cinematographer, cinematographer. How can I contribute? Then click Get Fire Pay as part of the creative community changing the face of visual media. We work with artists like you. We value arti- artist integrity and believe in evaluating stock with thoughtfully produced and selected photo, video, and illustration. Now if you guys want to work on this website, then you click on the line above and create your account. Apply now. Simple first name, last name, email address, location. I am at least 60 years of age. Then next. Now if you guys want to work on this website, then you click on the line above and create your account. I can't create my account on this website and show it because the video is going to be too long, so I made a short video so I tell you guys how to create an account in a short video. Creating an account is not a difficult task, it is very easily. You have to provide all the information about yourself. Just put your email address, then there is nothing new. What we look for your work your way. You don't have to be a seasoned artist or have years of industry experience to apply. We look for inspired work, authentic perspectives, and fresh ideas. Forget your expectation of stuck. We want every artist we added to our roster to offer something new. Bring your own unique passion and creative voice. See here for more information on how we are prioritizing new membership at this time. If you guys also want to earn money from this website, then friends, create your account on it and earn money together with them. To change how to apply, fill out an application, show us your work, leave it to us, upload 10 photos, videos or illustration file, can be JPG, MP4 or MOV. Tell us about yourself, share your portfolio. Our team of professionals will review your application. Expect to hear back from us within 1 to 2 weeks. Members are co-owners and can participate in the direction of the company. As a success contributor, you always have agency and a voice within the business. Get involved through elections, resource selection, voting, and annual general meeting. Working on this website is also very easy. There is no difficult task if you guys want to work. If you like my video, please like and share it.